Hare Krishna, the sixth song, King of Vaishnava, which is in our album Jambo Kirtan, is a beautiful song. O He Vaishnava Thakur, Daya Rasagar, E Dasa Karuna Kori, which basically means that O King of saintly people, O King of all the Vaishnavas, of all the devotees, of all the servants of the servants, please make me your servant and tie me to your lotus feet. This song helps us build a relationship with our friends in spirituality and helps us question our friends in spirituality, whether they are taking us closer to God consciousness. We hope that with this beautiful song, O He Vaishnava Thakur, O He Vaishnava Thakur, Dayar Sagar, Vaishnav Thakur, Dayar Sagar, Edas Karuna Kori, Edas Karuna Kori. May this song inspire you to come closer and closer and closer to Krishna, to the eternal truth, to eternal bliss, and to eternal happiness and love. Hare Krishna.